When I was just a boy, my father helped me develop my passion for the outdoors. That passion quickly turned to an obsession. Hey guys, Eric Henderson here with Adventures Afield. On this episode, we're going to take a look at the BIG TEX. Obviously, it's an Airforce Texan 457. This is my original gun. It's got a longer barrel. It's got some valve work, carbon fiber bottle. It's putting out 600 foot-pounds of energy with a 330 grain cup nose BHD. These things are doing over 900 feet per second. It's some massive power, flat trajectory. My scope of choice for the BIG TEX is an Athlon Optics Ares BTR first focal plane. Securing the scope to the gun is a BKL adjustable scope mount. And to house all this awesomeness is a bench rest stock from Maddog. I have this thing filled to about 3,500 PSI. Got the chronograph here. Let's take a couple shots. (899 feet per second). Again, these are the BHD 330 grain cup nose. (864 feet per second). This time we're going to try the 245 grain WFN from BHD. Got to fill back up to 3,600. These things should scream. (993). (961). This time we're going to do the 270 grain WFN from BHD. (968). That's not bad. (936). All right, got to fill back up to 3,600 PSI. This time we're going to try these 450 grain Spitzer boat tails. I shot these a long time ago. These are great for long range. Let's go ahead and give it a try. (824). (783). So now we're going to do the 490 grain, 3,600 PSI. Let's see how these do. (800 feet per second). Let's look at that real quick. 800 times 800 times 490 divided by 450,240. 696 foot-pounds of energy. That's pretty awesome. Just under 700 foot-pounds. Let's do shot number 2. Ooh, that dumped. All right, so there's some shots with the BIG TEX from Adventures Afield. So this last hunting season, I went to Missouri. I hunted with my friend Brian Cook. I took that buck at 140 yards with this gun here, and then I went to Kentucky. Now, what you haven't seen yet is I only shot one deer in Kentucky, which is fine. The whole hunt happened pretty quick, so there's very little footage, but it showed the capability of this gun, the power of a big bore air gun, and what a 45 caliber round will do at 900 feet per second on a deer at 75 yards. All right, we're here in Kentucky. We're at my friend's grandparents' place. Anyway, when we were getting out of the truck, he said, "See that building over there? As soon as we get to that building, look back there. I'm sure it's going to be go time." Well, I come around the back of the building. There's a doe standing there about 100 yards. Let's see what we can do.
Good shot.
So I shot this this deer out in the field over here. We decided to drag him. It's actually a little nub buck. You can't see any antlers, but you can see the little humps. This is counted as an antlerless deer. We drug it out of the field over here because we're going to continue to hunt here in a little while back out here. We didn't want to cause a lot of commotion out there, but I dropped it where it stood. It was a little bit high shot. Basically broke his rear spine. We had to go finish it off, but it did the job. It dropped it right where it stood, and that's what we want. So I think it's a 75-yard shot. Airforce Airguns Texan, BIG TEX, 330 grain BHD ammo, 900 feet per second. Went right through this deer. You could hear it hit the trees in the back. Complete pass through. You know, this, like I said, it did what it was designed to do, and that's drop a deer. So I'm really happy with this. We're going to get this taken care of, and then we're going to go back out here and see if we can get a buck or see if we can get Justin a deer, get it on video. But Adventures Afield. Wasn't that pretty impressive? 75 yards, blew completely through that deer, took him straight to the ground. That's what big bore air gunning is all about. Hey guys, thanks for watching my videos, and I would really appreciate it if you could help with the channel. Everything I do is as far as like equipment and stuff like that is all out of my own pocket. If you guys want to see better videos, maybe have me use better equipment or do some better hunts, please think about donating to the channel. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time on Adventures Afield. I'd like to give a shout out to Justin Long. Thank you for your generosity and hospitality and everything for making this hunt possible.